Welcome to our state-of-the-art OPGW optical fiber composite overhead ground wire production factory, where innovation meets reliability. Our factory is equipped with advanced manufacturing machinery and a well-trained workforce, ensuring every OPGW product meets the highest quality standards. The production process begins with the careful selection of high-grade raw materials, including top-quality optical fibers and durable metal conductors. These materials are then processed through a series of precise steps. First, the optical fibers are colored for easy identification during installation. Next, they are inserted into stainless steel tubes and filled with a special optical fiber compound to ensure long-term protection and stable performance. Subsequently, the steel tubes are subjected to laser welding to guarantee airtightness. The welded tubes are then combined with aluminum, clad steel wires through a precise stranding process. This stranding is carried out with strict tension control to ensure a uniform and robust structure. Throughout the production process, multiple quality checks are performed, from the initial inspection of raw materials to the final testing of finished products. We use advanced testing equipment to ensure the OPGW has excellent electrical and mechanical properties, as well as reliable optical performance. This commitment to quality makes our OPGW products ideal for power transmission and communication needs.